Hiccups are tiny bursts of biology that remind us the body has its own hidden rhythms. A hiccup starts when the diaphragm contracts involuntarily, followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cords that draws in air. That moment is controlled by a reflex loop of nerves and timing, like a faulty metronome. Most bouts fade as the nerves rebalance, the diaphragm relaxes, and breathing returns to its steady pace. So hiccups reveal how a simple muscle and its nerves coordinate breath, turning a nuisance into a minor, understandable science.